when Yusuf Mart swapped Kaizer Chiefs for Australian side. As we read in July, headlines suggested that the club had pocketed a hefty 15 million rand from the deal. However, fresh reports indicate the fee was a fraction of that amount. According to Far Post, the actual figure was closer to 2.6 million rand, 130,000 euros, a significant drop from the initially reported sum. The 30-year-old midfielder who captained Damakosi before his departure has already made 5 appearances for Red, 3 of which came as a starter in the Australian Bundesliga. Mart's exit had long been anticipated with local football circles, though Amakosi delayed in officially confirming the news. His move ends a 3-year spell at Naturena, during which he became a key figure in the squad. Angolan international Miguel Inacio has since been earmarked to inherit the captain's armband. Meanwhile, on the domestic front, Chiefs are sharpening their preparations for a high-stakes Betway Premiership clash against reigning champions Mamelodi Sundowns at FNB Stadium on Wednesday. Their defensive options, however, may be stretched. Promising centre-back Aidan McCarthy, who limped off just 30 minutes into last week's encounter against Richards Bay, remains a doubt. The 21-year-old has returned to training but is yet to prove full fitness. Chiefs assistant coach Cedric Case confirmed on Monday that a decision on McCarthy's availability will only be made on Tuesday. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.